Manual muscle testing is often seen as biased, fake, or just downright wrong, and so has developed actually a pretty bad reputation. And this is actually because to do it well, it requires a very deep understanding of, number one, what are we actually testing? And what we're really testing is a stretch reflex, not power. How does the test work? Well, by changing length of the muscle spindle causes alpha motor neurons to engage, a reflex that we then test for. And this is therefore nothing to do with strength. It's just a momentary test of the muscle spindle reflex, and something that will change moment to moment depending on what information the body is receiving. And this is really important because it can act like a gauge to tell us whether or not any type of stimulus may be perceived as threatening or not. And finally, what can alter the test result? The environment, the way in which you test, the position, many things. By considering all this information, we increase the reliability of the reflexive test, remember it's not a strength test, as a means of interpreting those neurological outputs of the human body. And this is the way in which PDTR aims to interpret the body, as compared to strength, range of motion, or palpation, for example. We test the neurology first and foremost. And this is the biggest benefit. We now simply act as an interpreter for the body, gauging the responses the body has, and our own theories become irrelevant. And we know simply through reflex testing as a way of kind of following the breadcrumbs to the problems that we actually really need to treat.